Today we are going to talk about something amazing that is coming soon, which you can see on the screen is Kling 3.0, and Higgsfield is currently partnering with Kling AI to get Kling 3.0 on their website as soon as it is released. So let's talk about what are the rumors, what are the expectations that are there from Kling 3.0, which is releasing by this week maybe. And once it is released, we are going to create a video for that as well. So let's just check out what we are expecting from Kling 3.0. So I am into Higgsfield blog here, and you can see that the blog is having all the details and expectations and the rumors and all that stuff here. Right now, if you know, Kling 2.6 is currently released, and it is a really good with lip sync and audio tool as well. We also have Kling O1, which is Omni, and let's talk about what we are going to get here. So what possibly expect from Kling 3.0. So first thing that I really like about is native 4K and high frame rate AI video. If you are using daily your image to video model, you know there are not lot of models there which are using 4K native, but I think Kling is going to introduce that as well. Right now VO 3.1 is giving 4K, but it is giving only when you are doing an upscale, so that's a good thing. But let's hope for the best for Kling as well. Then we all can also have a regional in painting and AI video editing both in the Kling 3.0, which is going to be a really good thing. Yeah, the one more thing I'm excited about is improved physics and character interaction. So if you are using if you are using Kling for cinematics, you know that Kling physics are really good when compared to other AI models. So this is the thing that I'm excited about, because now if it is going to get that real world physics, we can create explosions, water simulations, and lot of stuff, and get some really good realistic results. Then it is speculated that longer AI video generation durations are also going to introduce in Kling 3.0. Maybe around 20 to 25 seconds, we don't know yet, but in Higgsfield they are telling that outputs in the 30 to 60 second range would reinforce Kling's strength in social media. But let's wait for Kling this week, and let's see what 3.0 offers to us. Again, I'm going to create a full video for Kling 3.0 whenever it is going to release this week. According to my sources, it is going to release maybe on Wednesday or Thursday, but let's hope for the best. So these are all the things that I am excited about. And yeah, Kling is also telling that it is maybe the generations are going to be faster than Kling 2.6. So let's wait for that as well. Now, if you want to read this blog, I will leave the link in the description. You can definitely check this out. And if you want to learn more about Higgsfield, let me tell you that as well. So if I go to higgsfield.ai, right now I'm using our ultimate plan of Higgsfield, but if you want, you can upgrade it to a creator plan as well. So if I click on upgrade, right now you can see there are multiple plans that are running here, but the one I am using is the ultimate plan because it is a really good for freelancers that are working on AI projects. So that's a really good thing. And why I love Higgsfield? Because Higgsfield offer all the popular image models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, GPT 1.5, Flux is also there, and recently they have also introduced Cinema Studio and Angles version 2, which is also a really good thing. So that's a good thing about Higgsfield. Plus they also have video generations like Kling Motion Control. Grok is now also introduced into Higgsfield itself, which is Elon Musk model. We also have Sora 2, Google VO 3.1. So all the popular image to video models or text to video models are also there. And I have also created video on motion control and AI influencer. And I have used Higgsfield in my last 4 to 5 videos for the content creation tutorials as well. So you can definitely check that out. And if I go to AI influencer here, you can see we can create our own influencer. I created this from scratch with you guys, and we did a motion control for this as well. But apart from that, you can also create some really good characters which are not human, like alien, beetle, elf, crocodile, octopus, iguana, bee, and lots more are there. And there are 90 plus things that you can change, from eye color to skin conditions to skin color to body, face, style. There are lots of options available. And if you click on motion control, as usual, if you remember, we created this motion control from scratch. So we just need to upload our reference video and our image, and it is going to replicate it out. So if I just unmute the mute the sound because of copyright, you can see this is what we have got. And if you are interested in learning, again, you can check out my other YouTube videos as well. So this is a really good thing. And if you remember, we also created
This has been my little morning upgrade. AG1 is packed with vitamins, minerals, and botanicals. And honestly, I've been feeling more energized and less sluggish. One scoop, once a day, I done.
So this was created with Kling 2.6 with audio, and you can see the results are really realistic, and the model details are also seen when I created it from Google Nano Banana. So this is why I love Higgsfield, because all the popular tools are here, and whenever Kling 3.0 is going to release, first we are going to get it on Higgsfield. Then we also have been, Kling also has introduced what we say is angles to version 2. So if you want like angles for this image, you can just go to your image, open in, and you can do a skin enhancer and angles relight. So if I go to relight, let's say I want light from this side, I can definitely do it. So let's say if I want light from here, you can see we are getting this light from here as well. Or let's say we want a light source from here, because our window is located here. I can definitely do it. What type of light I want, a soft, a hard, then a color. So let's say we want a like a warm color here. So we can definitely do that as well, like a yellow, maybe something like this. So yeah, this is what it is looking before. And then let's just click on generate. And once the generation is done, this is going to change the lighting here as well. So you can see it's in progress, and it's really fast, guys. You can get some really good angles as well of the image. You can relight the image, then you can have multi shots as well. So that's a really cool thing about Higgsfield AI, the relight, the angles, the multi shot. So you can have one image, and then you can guess what would be the another shots, or what would be the angles that we can use. So that's a really good thing. So let's just wait a moment for this to complete, and I will be back once it is done. So now you guys can see it took around 1 minute to calculate the lighting, but you can see this was okay, something went wrong, sorry. So let's just go to retry, and you can see this was before and this is after. So you can see the lighting is looking really good. I think when I'm clicking on first image, it is getting an error, but you can see the difference. So this is looking good. You can definitely compare it here. So you can see this was before and this is after. This is looking nice, and definitely you can increase the brightness as well, but I'm liking this result. So that's a relight thing that you can do, and there are lots more options as well that you can definitely work with. As I told you about angles is there, multi-shot is there, so you can try it out. Then you have the AI stylist, so you can change the clothes as well. So that's why I love Higgsfields, and plans are also really cheap compared to other platforms as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and definitely I'm excited about Kling 3.0, and I am going to create video as soon as the model is released. So if you like this video and what you are excited about in Kling 3.0, let me know in the comments. Please press that like button if you like this video. Share it with your friends who wants to learn AI, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to it. I will see you next time.